Today we'll go over how to use SFI's maintenance request form. If your truck needs maintenance services, you need to make an appointment at a shop. You can access the form by scanning a QR code on your weekly account update that is sent out every Thursday. That QR code will take you to this request form. Here, you'll type in the last 6 digits of your VIN number, the unit number displayed on your truck, the date you require maintenance. If it's an emergency, please call the number you see on that line. If you already have an appointment set up, please tell us what time you're expected or if you need assistance right away. Keep scrolling down the form and fill out your name, email address, service request, maintenance need, service provider, service location city, service location state, and estimate approval. Now, you can hit submit. The SFI maintenance team checks requests Monday through Friday from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time to schedule maintenance needs. To schedule at a Schneider Operating Center, please call the shop directly. If it's an emergency or after hours, please call 833-705-5623 for assistance.